Stop using Remove Background in Photoshop. Okay, let's back up a sec. Remove Background is great for some edits, but when you're working with subjects that contain hair or fur, you may notice some unexpected rough edges. Instead, grab the Object Selection tool from your toolbar to the left. Once Photoshop has detected the various objects within your active layer, clicking on one will turn it into a selection. From here, applying a layer mask will reveal that the edges are already much more accurate than when using Remove Background. You can then take your edit up a notch by hopping into Select and Mask. Here you can refine the size of your detection area by increasing the radius, shift the edge in or out, remove color fringe, and use the Refine Edge brush to touch up individual areas. So yeah, stop using Remove Background. Spend a few extra seconds and reach for the Object Selection tool. If you found this tip helpful, let me know in the comments, subscribe for more videos, and give me a follow on X. That still doesn't sound right. Follow me on Twitter.